Hello friends, welcome back. We are learning Amazon Web Services and in the following videos, lectures and practicals, you will be learning about various mobile services offered by Amazon Cloud. We will begin with Mobile Hub, followed by AppSync, Analytics or Pitmite, and Device Farm. These are various services that are used to develop or enhance mobile applications which could improve your performance. For example, you could test mobile devices with device farm on various environments. You can manage all the services in a dashboard environment with Mobile Hub. For AppSync, you could synchronize your applications to be constant and other factors, and you can perform analytical operations with Pinpoint or mobile analytics. We would be learning and we will explore how we can integrate these services together and along with other services on AWS cloud and build a solution for our clients. So let's start. Here we are going to begin our journey with AWS Mobile Hub. So let's start. These are the services, mobile services, the Mobile Hub, AppSync, Device Farm, and Mobile Analytics. As we have learned, these are the mobile services offered by AWS. We can integrate multiple services together with Mobile Hub. The common services that get easily integrated with Mobile Hub to build a useful solution is AWS Lambda. As we know, Lambda is a serverless environment where we don't need to create each code dependent on other pages, other codes, other files that could be independent for various purposes like push notification and other purposes. It could be easily integrated with a web or Android environment. We can manage AWS Lambda with Mobile Hub. Amazon SNS, Amazon Cognito. The Cognito is used for authentication, uh, be it authentication with Google, authentication with Facebook, or third party, or anything. It gets authenticated. You can also save sessions. For example, if you have a game developed by yourself and you want to manage the user sessions, the player sessions, once he have login, you have to store that data up to next levels when he crosses. You can do so with Amazon Cognito with a wide range of things. It also gets integrated with Mobile Hub. The Amazon Mobile Analytics used to analysis user data. You have a large stream of data and you want to analysis uh, various factors. The device farm is used to check whether your app is performing on various devices, mobile phones, with various Android versions, wide range of devices. How much number of times you can run your app, simulate your app for yeah, any computing hours. So it is a better scalable option. Suppose you want to test your app on all the devices available in the market, be it Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, and other devices as well. You don't need to purchase each devices by yourself and reinstall and run the app manually. You can do so on AWS Device Farm. Similarly, S3 is a storage which could be integrated with any range of services and AWS CloudFront. Other services could be integrated as well. We will be learning in detail. To For a functionality, AWS Mobile Hub provides you uh, various services on the same dashboard. It has a wide range of options. The mobile SDK allows you to integrate the services on mobile. If you're developing your application for Android environment, you can do so for JavaScript and other environment as well. I have been developing on Android Studio for Android environment, and I can integrate with AWS Mobile Hub. You can authenticate user data with Cognito, implement server-side logic or serverless logic with Lambda. You can synchronize data, as we have learned about game, with Cognito as well. You can analyze user behavior based on Amazon Analysis or Pinpoint. You can run target campaigns with Pinpoint as well. The store with S3. You can deliver media with CloudFront, send push notification with SNS, mobile push, store data on DynamoDB, RDS, or other. You can test your app with device farm. So this is the basic functionality that gets integrated with Mobile Hub. So what is a Mobile Hub basically? Defining it, it is a collection of AWS tools that are designed to help developers build, test, configure, and release cloud-based applications specifically for mobile devices, be it Android, iPhone, Symbian, or other devices. You can also develop for Windows as well. The packages, it allows you to package the tools as a console for developer. You are a developer, could be a DevOps engineer, another things as well. You get them to quickly select desired features for applications and integrate them into the code. We will be learning with practical demonstration in the next video. It includes a variety of tools that includes tracking application, analytics, manage and user access and storage. You can set up push notification, you can deliver content and build backend services with Mobile Hub. The benefits of Mobile Hub includes you can start with Mobile Hub for free. It is a free service. It is being covered under the free tier of AWS 1 year free tier. You can use Mobile Hub to certain range extent. You can add cloud services fast. It delivers quality apps. You can engage your audience as well. You can build various apps with Mobile Hub. You can choose from iOS environment, Android, the web environment with JavaScript, or you can also choose with React Native. Currently, these 4 options are available when you log in with Mobile Hub. When it comes to how it works actually, we have to first create an app independently either using the starter kit available on AWS Cloud, or you can create your own way. Suppose I am creating my app on Android Studio. It could be also published app. You can set up then backend. You just need to write your code on your own IDE, offline or online. Then you can set up your backend with a Mobile Hub. Just go to Mobile Hub, AWS Cloud, log in with Mobile Hub, create an instance, create configuration file. It generates a configuration file based on your configuration, which stores information about the configured services, and install the mobile SDK for AWS on your PC and provide the credentials, the configuration file on your IDE. It will be configured with your app in a matter of minutes. The features that you can add to your app with a Mobile Hub include the add cloud services, the secure authentication with Amazon Cognito. It get integrated. You can also add the storage service. Suppose you want to build an Android app which collects a huge range of, which is similar to Facebook app, a Facebook Messenger app. You can contact with other users. You have to log in. You can upload files which is being stored on the server. So when you publish your app, as you all know, the app has very limited storage on your mobile phone. It stores by default on a smartphone in which it is installed. If you want to provide cloud support, you can do so with AWS. So when we can provide secure authentication with Cognito, you can provide your users with login with Facebook, login with Google, and third party. You can also provide storage on the cloud by creating S3 services. You can run serverless functions with AWS Lambda and API Gateway. You can also use the database, the NoSQL, NewSQL, and any kind of SQL database. You can also create a chatbot or other cognitive services with Amazon Lex and Poly. Then you can deliver high quality applications like hosting your web apps with a content distribution network on Amazon S3 and CloudFront. Then you can test on real devices with you can run unit test, unit test and other kind of test on your CI/CD pipeline. You can test 100 seconds of popular iOS and Android phones easily with device farm. Then you can engage your audience or analyze the user data with Pinpoint, Amazon Pinpoint, or mobile analytics. You can also send user different messages, that is automatic messages being sent by other targeters with Amazon Pinpoint as well. You can provide push notifications with Pinpoint. You can provide emails and testing with Pinpoint as well. So we can perform a wide range of tasks with Mobile Hub. These services are being integrated. We can build very easily. In the practical video, we will be learning how we can build them, build a Mobile Hub service which could be integrated on Android. So keep learning, keep moving ahead. We will be learning more in the coming videos.